Hey, boys and girls, I wanted to make this quick video for you all about Google Docs. I hope that some of you all have used this before, but I know some of you all haven't, so it's no big deal. I just wanted to let you all know for a couple of things. I'm going to use my mouse. Hopefully you all can see this. I'm moving my mouse here. But up here in the corner, that should be your Google account, your student Google account at scsc.school. If it is not, you need to click on that and change it to your scsc.school Google account. Once that is ready, you'll see a screen similar to this. Now, mine has a lot of stuff on it because I've been using Google Docs for a while. Eventually, you will have more stuff in it. But what we're going to do today is just real quick, I'm going to show you how to start a document so that you all can get ready to go. So you can do it over here. You'll see this giant plus that says blank. You're just going to click on that. And it's going to pull up this new document. Now, a couple of things I want you to do first before you even start typing your story. All right. The first thing I want you to do, see where it says untitled document? I want you to click on that, and I want you to name your document. Now, we are doing what we are an expert in. So what I might call it is Mr. Drake's expertise. What you probably will want to call it, and I would appreciate it if you can put your name on it so I know easily whose it is, but put your name and then maybe even put what it is that you're an expert at, like grilling hot dogs. I know nobody's going to put grilling hot dogs as a paper, but that's what you could call it. And then when you click off of that, it is going to save this as Mr. Drake's expertise. If you don't like your title, you can always go in and change it. Just click on it and change it. It will update your title. But that is when you go back into Google Docs, you'll be able to find your paper, this paper, by the title. It will show up. And I'm just going to put, and so then you're ready to type. The other thing I want you to do, trying to get rid of this ad. And it doesn't like me to get rid of that. But that's okay. I'm gonna go back here. Sorry. What I want you to do up here under share is I want you to click that share button, and this box will pop up. And so what I want you to do is I want you to share it with myself and with Miss Kreitz. And so for me, you're just going to start typing, and I'm not for sure if it will pull it up. But if not, you're just going to type in my email address, tdrake@scsc.school. And then what you're going to do is then do A Kreitz at scsc.school. And that way, myself and Miss Kreitz will have access to this document. And so that we will be able to see it, we'll be able to click on it, and we'll be able to have discussions with you all on it. And you'll see how that goes in the future couple of days. We'll be working on this document quite a bit, but we need to be able to have access to it. So be sure to share it with us. So once you type those in, all you have to do is hit send. It is shared with me. It will show up in my email. And then all you're ready to do is start typing your story about what you're an expert at. Now, I want you all to think back about everything you've learned about writing stories, and I want you to try to implement some of those things that you've learned from your past teachers in this story. All right, that's it for today. Go ahead and log in, get started, and make sure you share it with myself, T. Drake, and Miss Kreitz, A. Kreitz, Kreitz, ACRITES. Thanks, guys and girls.